Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create consistent characters in Midjourney. And right now, I'm currently in a website called Prompt Lab or Prompt Generators. Basically, this is a paid version or paid software where you can generate exact prompts for basic image, characters, custom prompts, and so on and so forth. But for this video, I'm not gonna use this one. However, it will be your choice if you wanna use it. I'm gonna use my own set of prompts here. And let's open Midjourney right now. So I'm going to open Midjourney. So welcome back. Currently, this is not technically Midjourney. However, this is my server and Midjourney is inside it. I have a video regarding how to add Midjourney or any other applications inside your server, so please check them out. So let's get started right here. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, generate images. On the prompt bar right there, or prompt section, I'm going to input this prompt. I'm just copy it on my notepad and paste it right there. So as you can see right here, the key point regarding consistent characters is this specific keyword, character sheet. Just keep using the word character on your prompts and you'll be good to go. As you can see right there, realistic photography of a young adult female with brown straight hair. Be consistent as you can. Don't just say adult female and you'll be good to go. That's not it. To get consistent characters, make sure you have a very specific or what you want to see and using character words right there. And right here, I have this command repeat 3. Basically, I'm going to ask Midjourney to generate 3 samples. And also, I have it right here. Let me just look for it. Not that one, sorry about it. I'm going to look for my specific arrow right there. Because I want to show you that I use right here multiple angles. I'm going to have different shots right here. So let me try and create this one. By clicking, almost forgot about this command. Sorry about it. So let me just click Imagine. And paste the prompt right there. And now click on enter. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. As you can see, we have 3 generated images here. We still have 1 being currently generated. Anyway, we have 3 with a lot of angles of a female. Now we're just looking for consistent characters here. Anyway, all of them are consistent characters for me, especially this one right here. If I click on it, you'll see on this section right here, the 4 photos are very consistent. However, this one right here has weird eyes. This one right here is not good. However, everything is good here. I'm going to take this one. So for this one to work, I'm going to upscale number 3. I think this is 3. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then, perfect, we have it. So I'm just going to save this. Let me just look how to save that image. Perfect. I'm just going to place it on my desktop so it'll be easy to find. Now I have it on my desktop. I'm going to use this website now. Let me just open it. So on this website, it's going to be called Photopea. Photopea is an online website photo editor. Now don't be alarmed here. We're not going to edit much. We're just going to crop the photos. So let me just insert my photo here. Let me just try dragging it if it will work. Go to my desktop, look for the photo. Perfect. Just drag it right there. Now let's wait for it to upload. It's currently being uploaded as of now. So welcome back. By the way guys, if you have a background and on the layers right here is currently on the back, try dragging it upward so you can see the photo we uploaded. Now basically right here, we just need to crop it. There are options or tools to crop. For example, this one right here, crop tool right there. So I'm just gonna crop, I think, 3 here to work with. This one right here, or let's just crop all of them. Just for the sake of the discussion, I'll get back to you once I finish cropping them. So welcome back to the video. As you can see on my folder right here, I already isolated them, cropping them individually. Now next up, we're gonna upload all of this inside our Midjourney. So let me just copy everything and hope to drag everything all the way there. So basically right there, I'm just gonna upload 1 of each. So what we did here is taking the group photo and uploading them individually like so. Next up, copying the link. So don't copy the image, copy the image link. Paste it right there. Enter some 2 spaces right here. We're just gonna do the same thing for all of them 4. Again, like so, I'm gonna copy the link because I just want it to be copied on the prompt bar. Because you might ask, what's the purpose here? The purpose is gonna be so I can copy it on my clipboard. Control X or Control C, that would be perfect. And next up, we'll be saving it as a preference list. So this command right here is going to be called preference. Now after copying those links, simply type this command, prefer, option. You're gonna have two options here, one for list, one for set. Choose set and name this set. For example, let's name her Jane. And then click this plus one more because we want that value. Now you might ask what kind of value we're gonna enter. Remember the links we copied? Paste them right here, like so. Simply click on enter. So what we did here is we created a custom list or example or template, you might ask, named Jane. And perfectly we have them all together. So we don't have to copy everything. We just need to use the word Jane later on. I'm gonna show you the purpose of this one in a few moments. Now after doing that one, let's imagine or create a prompt. For example, a girl wearing a yellow jacket in the streets of New York. Or let's just say Times Square. Times Square. Perfect. And then, simple as that. No other commands, just I wanna create an image here that is not technically this girl right here. Because I'm gonna use this new prompt with this new girl. We're gonna combine them and create those consistent characters we're looking for. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. As you can see right here, I created two because the one we created earlier gave me a woman looking backward or not showing his face or her face. So I created the new one with this exact prompt, close-up photo of a girl in yellow jacket facing front. That's the keyword right there to have these photos. Now you might ask, choose one here. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna upscale the number one because it's looking straightforward with this. And then with this one, we're now gonna create those consistent characters. So with this one, click on Vary Strong right here, or Vary Region, and you'll open up this option, where you're gonna have two sets or two tools to work with, one for lasso and one for square. The idea here is you can use lasso and just hover or highlight every out of image. Let me start right there. I'm gonna show you how it works, okay? So just make sure even the hair, capture it. Even the strands, I know it's gonna be hard to capture everything, especially the strands, so do your best here because the quality of the photo will be depending on the output here. So I'm gonna capture everything as much as I can. Even the strands right there, there's a strand right here, perfect. Now as you can see, we still have some missing hair there. I think that's enough for it because we captured the general. Now after highlighting it, remove the original prompt, type in -- and remember the name earlier, type in Jane. Click on enter. We're now gonna insert Jane with this exact photo. Let's wait for it to finish. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here we have it. Let me enlarge it and perfectly right there. We have now Jane inside the photos and the yellow jacket. Now if you want to be a little bit more perfect or make sure that it's only the face you want to change and nothing else, you can also click on Vary Region one more time right here. And this is just another option for you. However, the first one we did earlier is already enough. So let me just redo everything. Perfect. And now I'm gonna use this lasso tool again. Just gonna highlight the face like so. Give me a second here. Perfect. And then once you're done here, simply type Jane again and click on enter. We're just highlighting the face right there. However, for this one, upon my experience, okay, it's not that good looking. It's a bit weird looking. And for me, this one right here is as perfect as we can be. The consistent character we have, let me just pull up the sample original photos right there. Let me just choose one because technically they're the same. Let me just remove this one. And as you can see right there, the original photo is looking like, especially this one right here. Consistent characters, the eyes, the eyebrows, the lips, the nose, even that part right there, right? And here we have it. It's a bit weird looking, as I told you. The neck is not proportional. It's just like a face you put inside the person. Perfectly right there. If you're gonna ask me, the one we did earlier is much perfect. However, I'm just showing you this option. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.